This is John Doe. After his third plate of chicken rice, nature calls. And for John, that means heading to the accessible toilet. With Hypercom's smart toilet, he simply taps his CPass card to enter. Even if there is no CPass, John can press the intercom and staff will assist right away. Inside, everything's designed with John in mind. There's a motion sensor installed on the ceiling. Quietly. Staff will get alerted on IP telephone, and John can reach them anytime through intercom. John falls suddenly, but manages to hit the alert button. Alarm triggered, but the surveillance room is empty, and the staff is on patrol. Besides IP telephone call, the motion sensor alerts staff, then rush to help John and coordinate support. Hypercom's WC assistive solution, maximized with intercom for instant help, access card control for authorized access, motion sensor for auto detection, and IP telephone integration to direct alerts to your staff phone. The smart WC solution is built for accessibility and peace of mind for every staff. Contact Hypercom today.